Next is question number 3. On the first part of our journey, Alan drove a distance of X kilometer and his car used 6 liters of fuel. The rate of fuel used by his car was 600 over X liters per 100 kilometer. Part A. Alan then drove another X plus 20 kilometer and his car used another 6 liters of fuel. Part first is write down an expression in terms of X for the rate of fuel used by his car on this part of the journey. Give your answer in liters per 100 kilometer. When Alan drove a distance of X kilometer and his car used 6 liters of fuel, the rate of fuel used by this car was 600 over X liters per 100 kilometer. And here he drove X plus 20 kilometer and his car used another 6 liters of fuel, and we have to give answer in liters per 100 kilometer. So this will be 600 over distance is X plus 20 kilometer. So 600 over X plus 20. Part 2. On this part of the journey, the rate of fuel used by the car decreased by 1.5 liters per 100 kilometer. Show that x square plus 20x minus 8000 is equal to 0. 600 over x minus 600 over x plus 20 is equal to 1.5. Taking LCM on this side, it will be x into x plus 20. Here it will be 600 into x plus 20 minus 600x is equal to 1.5. Now 600x plus 12,000 minus 600x is equal to 1.5 into x square plus 20x. Now this will be cancelled. So 1.5 x square plus 20 times 1.5 is 30. 30x and minus 12,000 is equal to 0. Dividing this whole equation with 1.5, it will be x square plus 30 over 1.5 is 20 and minus 12,000 over 1.5 is 8,000 equals 0. Hence proved. Next is part B. Solve the equation x square plus 20x minus 8000 is equal to 0. We will make its factors. It will be x square plus 100x minus 80x minus 8000 equals 0. Now taking x as common, x plus 100, taking minus 80 as common, x plus 100 is equal to 0. Now x minus 80 into x plus 100 equals 0. Now either x minus 80 equals 0 or x plus 100 equals 0. So x is equal to 80 or x is equal to minus 100. Next is part C. Find the rate of fuel used by Alan's car for the complete journey. Give your answer in liters per 100 kilometer. First he drove x kilometer and then x plus 20 kilometers. And his car used 6 liters of fuel for x kilometer and another 6 liters of fuel for x plus 20 kilometers. This will be 600 plus 600 over x plus 20 is equal to 1200 over 2x plus 20, and the positive root is 80, so rate of fuel will be 1200 over 2 into 80 plus 20. 1200 over 2 times 80 plus 20 is 6.67 liters per 100 kilometer.